YouTube, let's get right into the video. I'm going to show you guys how to clean out this Graco SG2 Spray Gun. It's the gun that comes with the Magnum X5 and the X7 for sure. It's a pretty common gun. It's a pretty quick cleaning. I'll show you how to do it. Alright, first of all, take off your spray guard and your handle. Okay, inside the handle is the filter. Full of junk, throw that away. Clean out the cylinder. I'm using a little steel wool and a pencil and a little goof off. You could use paint thinner, but just run this through a few times, clean that out. Next, you're going to want to take this seat off, and it's a 5/8 inch socket. Now, I'll tell you, I had to work to get this puppy off of here because this is actually an old gun. Another contractor gave it to me after he quit painting, and he kind of just had a bunch of stuff in the box. This was in there, so and you could tell when you pulled the trigger that the spring is full of paint in there, so I'll show you that. So that's the pin right there. Obviously it's got a lot of dried paint and it's rusty, and we'll see what it looks like when I pull it out of there. Just going to take this back nut off and it'll push through. I took this back nut off. Let's see how tough this is going to be. And that's what came out. That's the pin. Obviously it was left full of paint and water. It's pretty rough. Let's see if we can clean this thing up. Alright, I'm going to try and clean this thing up. Headphone check here. It's probably going to be a little bit loud, just so fair warning here. I'll continue with this and show you when I'm done. Which obviously you can see in there looks pretty bad. What I'm going to use, a bit of a camera fumble there, but this is all cleaned up. The pin. Then I'm going to work on cleaning the seat with a drill and some steel wool. Do one of those and clean it out, and I'll show you that. So a little lubrication. Oops, that's plenty. Okay. Alright guys, I got the seat clean. Now, if you're just doing regular maintenance, this probably wouldn't be necessary to try and clean this out that well. You can damage the, you can score it in there, and that will keep this from seating well, and you'll end up with spits and stuff. But I'm not too concerned about that because I'm prepared to buy a $60 kit to to replace it, but I thought we'd give this a shot. But if you do want to clean your gun, it's a good idea to get in here and clean some of this stuff up. Don't be too aggressive with it, but yeah, give it a cleaning. One last spot to clean out is that hole right there. Alright guys, we got it back together. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please subscribe, hit the like button, comment. See you in the next one.